Patrick from Fabric King. I walk around to show you our factory. And here is our printing workshop. And these two big machines is for the fabric printing. And this smaller one is the Nimaki. It can print up to the 2.6 meters. These two big machine can print up to the 3.2 meters. And we also have the water-based regular ink the printer. And here is the heat transfer. We got the two impress heat transfer. The two transfer is up to the 3.2 meters. And this is the place that doing the solving the fabric on the tube. And here is the place that we do the fabrication to the tube. Let me show you. And this is the fabrication we do, and we will deliver it tomorrow. And each the order we will set up and take a photo before shipping. See, the worker is set up the pillowcase cover, graphic cover on the tube, and we'll take a photo, send to the customer, and make sure every order is in a perfect condition.